Hello and welcome to this session. In the realm of skill ecosystem, instructors play a pivotal role in shaping the future. They are not merely disseminators of information, but the architects of inspiration, mentors of motivation, and the guardians of growth. In this session, we will delve into the essential qualities that elevate an instructor from good to exceptional to empower learners to reach their fullest potential.
Objectives. At the end of this session, you will be able to state the prerequisites of an instructor, explain the qualities of an instructor, list the traits of a good instructor. Prerequisites of an instructor. Hari and Kavita are two friends who studied in the same college.
Hey Kavita, I've been thinking about becoming an instructor. What are the prerequisites I need?
There are three essential prerequisites that are fundamental to the role of an instructor. These are communication skills, subject knowledge, and experience. Communication skills. Instructors must possess strong communication skills. This includes not only the ability to articulate information clearly, but also the capacity to engage, inspire, and connect with learners. Effective communication forms the foundation of successful teaching. Subject knowledge. Instructors must be experts in their field, possessing a comprehensive understanding of the subject matter they teach. This experience ensures accurate and impactful delivery of information. Experience. Practical experience in the subject matter is invaluable. Instructors who have first-hand experience in their field can offer real-world insights and relatable examples to enrich the learning experience. Qualifications of an instructor. To take on the role of an instructor, certain qualifications are a prerequisite. These qualifications are typically categorized into two types: essential qualification and desirable qualification. Essential qualification. These are qualifications that are considered mandatory for the position. Example: CTS, CITS, diploma or degree in the relevant field. They often include academic degrees, certifications, or licenses relevant to the subject matter or field of instruction. Desirable qualification. While not mandatory, desirable qualifications enhance the instructor's suitability for the role. These qualifications may include additional certifications, teaching credentials, or specialized training that can further enrich the instructional process. Qualities of an instructor. Instructors play a multifaceted role in shaping the learning environment. The qualities of an instructor are classified into four distinct categories: physical quality, mental quality, moral quality, and personal quality. Let's look at each quality in detail. Physical quality. Good health. Instructors should maintain good health as it is essential for being prompt, regular, and enthusiastic in their teaching. Instructors can engage in regular physical activity such as walking, jogging, cycling, or participating in fitness classes. Stay hydrated by drinking an adequate amount of water throughout the day. Practice stress reduction techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or yoga. Schedule routine health checkups to monitor overall health and address any potential issues early on. Use proper posture when sitting or standing for extended periods. Good health not only ensures their physical presence, but also vitality in imparting knowledge. Dress and appearance. An instructor's attire should be simple and neat. Avoiding distracting, attractive clothing is important, as it ensures that the focus of the learners remains on the subject matter, not the instructor's appearance. Opt for neutral colors such as black, grey, navy, or beige. Pay attention to personal grooming, including neat and tidy hair. Voice, language, and speech. An instructor's voice should be clear and audible, ensuring that all learners can easily hear and comprehend. The language used should be simple and grammatically correct, making it easily understandable. Mental quality. Knowledge of the subject. Instructors must possess an in-depth understanding of the subject matter they teach. This knowledge extends beyond the surface, allowing them to provide comprehensive insights and explanations. Knowledge of teaching principles. Instructors should be well versed in the principles and methods of teaching. They should understand how to engage learners effectively, create a conducive learning atmosphere, and adapt to diverse learning styles. Engage in reflective practice. Regularly assess your teaching methods. Seek mentorship from experienced educators. Collaborate with colleagues to share best practices and learn from each other. Knowledge of psychology. A grasp of psychological factors that influence learning is essential. Instructors must be able to comprehend the cognitive and emotional aspects of learning to accommodate the psychological needs of their learners. Moral quality. Justice and impartiality. Instructors must maintain a sense of justice and impartiality when interacting with their trainees. Fairness in handling and addressing learners is integral to fostering trust and equity. Self-control and willpower. Instructors must exhibit strong self-control and willpower. This enables them to manage challenging situations and provide steadfast guidance to their trainees. Sympathy and perseverance. Instructors must approach their role with sympathy, kindness, and immense patience. These qualities create a supportive and nurturing learning environment. Personal quality. Leadership. Instructors should possess leadership qualities, guiding and instructing their trainees effectively. Class control. Instructors should be able to control the class to create an environment where learners can fully engage with the subject matter. Class manners. Instructors must exhibit polite and gentle behavior towards their trainees, refraining from rude or insulting interactions. This encourages a respectful and positive learning atmosphere. Good habits. Instructors should embody good habits such as punctuality, regularity, honesty, and sincerity. These habits set a positive example for their trainees, reinforcing the importance of these qualities in their learning journey. Important traits of a good instructor. Creating an engaging course. Good instructors have the ability to make the course material interesting and relevant to their trainees. They infuse enthusiasm into their teaching, turning otherwise dry topics into engaging learning experiences. Promoting knowledge and skill. Instructors are not just conveyors of information, they actively promote the acquisition of knowledge and practical skills. They facilitate a deeper understanding of the subject matter. Encouraging participation. Good instructors foster an environment of active learning. They encourage trainees to participate, ask questions, and engage in discussions, making the learning process interactive and dynamic. Valuing trainees' interests. Exceptional instructors take an interest in the passions and interests of their trainees. Professional appearance. Instructors maintain a neat and professional appearance. This exemplifies the importance of presenting oneself well, setting a standard for professionalism. Social flexibility. Good instructors are socially flexible, adapting to the diverse needs and backgrounds of their trainees. They create an inclusive and respectful classroom environment. Variety in learning experiences. Instructors provide a variety of learning experiences catering to different learning styles. They incorporate activities, multimedia, and hands-on experiences to enhance understanding. Subject matter expertise. Instructors possess a deep and comprehensive knowledge of the subject they teach. Balanced and business-like attitude. Instructors maintain a balanced approach that combines warmth and professionalism. They approach teaching with a business-like attitude, focusing on effective learning outcomes. Enthusiasm. Good instructors are passionate about their subject and teaching. They convey this enthusiasm to their trainees, making learning an inspiring journey.
That's right, Kavita. I believe a good instructor should be passionate about the subject they teach. It's that enthusiasm that can ignite the spark of curiosity in trainees. Let's now see some more traits.
Effective use of illustrations. Instructors use a variety of illustrations and examples to clarify complex concepts and make learning more relatable. Pleasant voice. An instructor's voice is clear, pleasant, and audible, ensuring that all learners can easily hear and understand the content. Efficient resource usage. Exceptional instructors use tools, materials, and equipment economically, teaching trainees to be resourceful and efficient. Transferring and applying knowledge. Instructors are skilled at transferring knowledge and practical skills. Additionally, they also guide trainees in applying this knowledge in real-life situations. Ethical and honorable. Exceptional instructors maintain a strong ethical and honorable view, ensuring fairness, equity, and integrity in all aspects of teaching. Responsibility. Instructors readily assume responsibility for the learning process, the well-being of their trainees, and the integrity of the curriculum. Organized teaching materials. Instructors keep their teaching materials well organized, ensuring a structured and logical presentation of content. Fair evaluation. Instructors should conduct fair and objective evaluations. Proper training records. Good instructors maintain accurate training records, tracking the progress and achievements of their trainees. Punctuality. Instructors are punctual, setting an example of time management and responsibility. Timely attendance to classes, meetings, and other academic commitments reflects a commitment to the responsibilities of the role. Friendly personality. Exceptional instructors have a friendly and approachable personality. They build positive relationships with their trainees, fostering trust and open communication.
This brings us to the end of this session. In this session, we have learned the prerequisites of an instructor, the qualities of an instructor, and the traits of a good instructor. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next session.